Is the summer sun striking your mood? Are you saddened because eyeshadow takes too long and behind your ring light you feel like you're dying? Don't worry. I have some great alternatives for eyeshadow looks for you this summer. How about a nice colorful eyeliner? Maybe an orange, maybe a blue, maybe even a white. Glitters are fun too. What's up, Stushy English girl, Stushy, back with another video. If you're new, hey boo, my name is Stushy. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. We're happy to have you guys back. Check out a brand new video. Woo woo woo. Okay, let me tell y'all something. It is hot behind this ring light, okay? And I'm not even recording when the sun is out. Like, the sun is kind of setting, you know, it's maybe like 8:30 in the night. But girl, it is hot. So I figured, well, initially I wanted to do eyeshadow, but then I was like, nah, I really don't feel like doing that, and it's too hot for that. I just don't feel like doing all that extra stuff sometimes. And in the summertime, you barely even want to put on makeup. But some days I still want to go outside looking a little cute, maybe adding some enhancement to my natural beauty. So I like to go in with liners, with wing liners at that, and these are colorful ones. So the ones that I have are from NYX. I know Rihanna came out with a couple colorful liners from Fenty Beauty, but I haven't gotten my hands on those as yet. But I do like to use my trusty NYX Vivid Brights liners. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create these looks. I'll insert some pictures somewhere on the screen of me like wearing, you know, some colorful liners. So if you guys are interested in watching, stay tuned for the video. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, click that bell button, and also give the video a big thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys. So for today's look, I'm going to be going in with a blue liner because I have on a white top. I have on a denim skirt. I also have on a bright pink belt with some gold detail, and I'm going to be wearing some gold slides. So I figured I'd go in with this nice pop of blue on my eyes. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a bit so you guys could see like what I'm doing. So instead of doing like a regular black liner, I'm going to do blue. I feel like that's really cute. I'm using the mirror from my Anastasia bronzer, and I'm going to go in. So just dry your eyeliner as you would. I like to start inside. And just go slow. Now you could definitely leave it like that if you like, but I'm gonna add a wing because why not? Black is too boring for the summer. We need color. And you've got a nice pop of blue as your liner color. So I'm now going to do the other eye. And these were around $7 or $8 at Ulta. You can find them at Ulta, maybe your beauty supply store even has them. Sephora doesn't carry NYX, or you can even order them online on the NYX website. See, cute either way. And if you're not a lash gal, you could just obviously throw on some mascara and go about your day. But I'm going to be adding lashes because I'm a lash gal. And you'll see that I could draw my liner either way. I could either take it from the outside and bring it in, or I'll pull it from here and bring it up. Either way, however you're comfortable with doing it. If you have to draw dots to connect them, connect the lines, then do what you gotta do, sis. There you have it. So I'm not done as yet, and obviously you can make it a lot more winged out. You could even bring the line up further, like, or cut it a lot more. Now I'm going to be going in with this blue liner, blue eyeliner, and I'm going to use it on my waterline, so right under here. Now I'm going in to add some mascara. And I personally don't add too much because No matter how good the mascara, something always seems to fall in my eyes. That's just how life is, and I wear contacts, so that is not a good deal. So I'm gonna go in with just a light amount of mascara. Girl, don't come for me. I know my hair needs to be done. I need to shape up. I need to recolor it. So for the ultimate glam, go in and add some of your favorite lashes. You got a nice, cute, fun look, and you're ready to take on the day. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Click that subscribe button and become part of the Stush gang if you haven't already. And also be sure to click the notification bell button, and that way YouTube can notify you every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, see y'all later.